Using Thunk 3D Structured Light 3D Scanner. Scan anime figurine Naruto 9-tailed fox demon. This figurine, width 80 cm, height 60 cm. The speed of the Thunk 3D Structured Light 3D Scanner is 0.03 seconds per frame. Scanning accuracy of 0.04 mm can quickly and accurately obtain 3D data of the model. The obtained 3D data can be proportionally scaled or subjected to secondary design, significantly improving the efficiency of creating handmade prototypes for new products, thus improving production efficiency. Let's enjoy the 3D data of the 9-tailed fox together.